So there. Let's talk about the three main ways you can find some business. Conquest being the first one and most common, and honestly the most sexiest one, because that's where you find your new customers, whether advertising routes on digital, social media, yard signs, knocking on doors the old-fashioned way. Referrals are fantastic because then you already have somebody speaking the good word of what you do. Now, my personal favorite are repeat customers. Now, that means they've already done business with you, they're happy enough to have you back again, and, well, that's what we're doing today. Last time we took care of the siding and a couple of other things, and we're back to do the roof. So let's see how that turns out.
Hey guys, Washed Up Spencer here. Today we're back out with Renee to take care of a roof cleaning that we had put together a bid for her on. We're actually going to be using a soft wash process to clean this roof today. One of the big things that I always beg people in this industry is just to never hit these kind of roofs with pressure. We see it so commonly. We want to make sure that these kind of things are taken care of properly and according to the manufacturer's suggested process. Moral of the story, guys, always do a good job. Take good care of your client and pay attention to the small details. That way, once you earn a customer, you keep them for life. Until next time, stay washed up.
You get things figured out there, buddy?
Well, who knows?